it's Melissa. I am here with my weekly in-store Aldi finds video for the week of August 6th through August 12th. If you are visiting me from TikTok, thank you so much. You have no idea how much I appreciate that. If you could also subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'm so sorry I can't bring you these videos on TikTok any longer, but let's all take a look together. We've got these drying racks. They are available in two colors, white or black. They are $24.99. We have the mini brioche swirls. These are delicious, $3.99. We've got the pasta salad kits. All three of these flavors are really, really good, $2.19. If you have not tried these lemon cream or the key lime cream cookies, you don't know what you're missing, $2.75. We have some really cute Hot Wheel cars. Love that little Snoopy one. And when did they start making Minecraft stuff? That's pretty cool. Those are $1.99. These are the body pillows. I think these are from a previous week, maybe not, but the pink with the cowboy boots embossed is so cute. That's a better vision of the pink. It's a beautiful pink, $12.99. We have the black garlic beef ramen, Chef Ramsay's. We'll be giving it a try, $1.79. We got the 3-pack on the rotating lock containers. These are $12.99. We've got the under sink organizer. This is great. I've been using mine since last year. I love it, $12.99. We have the fridge or the drawer liners. There's a couple of different ones to pick from, $6.99. We got the 2 bottle storage so that it says it could be multi-purpose, and then the drawer organizers. Those are really nice. And these are $12.99. We got the scrubber dishcloth that's upside down there, and then the bar mop kitchen towel. And these are $2.99. We've got the portable lap desk. Since pretty soon kids are going back to school, I can't believe it. There were some really pretty ones to pick from. And these are $9.99. We've got the wrap organizer and or the bag organizer. And these are $14.99. We have the high velocity floor fan in black or the chrome. Those are $39.99. We've got these stuffed, what are these? These are not Squishmallows, are they? No, right? What are these? Who are they? Little Town something? I don't know. We've got the potty seats. They are so adorable. And the character ones, there were so many to pick from. And the matching footstools. Super cute. $7.99. We have the toddler sneakers in 2 different ones to pick from. These are $9.99. We've got these platform, is that what they're calling them? Slides. They're pretty cool looking. 3 different colors to pick from, $7.99. We have the men's performance joggers available in 3 different colors. And those are $9.99. And then we have the ladies. They're kind of nearly matching if you wanted to. 3 different colors available on the joggers for the ladies. Right, they're pretty similar looking, $12.99. We have the foldable reacher. I love that this is foldable so you can bring it with you places for those of us that are have height issues like myself. We have the reading glasses 3-pack. $6.99. There was a bunch of different ones to pick from. We have the all occasion birthday cards, predominantly a lot of birthday cards. All occasion, did I say birthday card? Well, all occasion cards, mostly birthday. We have the pill stuff, the pill planners. There is a pill cutter available also. Bunch of stuff. We've got this clear storage bin, the 2-pack magnetic bin. So these are for the laundry room. And we have the detergent riser. All very cool. $9.99. We've got the 3 wick candles. And these are $4.99. We've got some really useful stuff here. The magnifying glass, I threw that in my junk drawer. The bag ties, that's a nice scissor. What are we using the broom handles for, though? Does it just make it easier? And the retractile blade. And then some magnetic storage clips. All really handy, $4.99. We have the bamboo drawer organizer. These are stackable, available in 2 different colors. And these are $14.99. We've got the lounge set available in 2 colors. Sorry, I missed that price. Somehow I did this on slow speed, so I had to speed it up. We have the compression socks. We've got these protein bowls. These scored really good on the Yuka app. I got 2 for my boys to give them a try. 15 grams of protein. We have the Annie Chung's bowls, noodle bowls. 3 different ones to pick from. These are $2.98. We've got, these are new. These looked really yummy, right? Yeah, the cracker snacks, and then there's one with pretzels with the cheese. I love those. $2.49. We have this take-home Korean barbecue style beef and noodles. That's $9.99. We have some smoked sausage that's already sliced. I mean, if you're in a hurry, that's really convenient. $3.79. And their sausage is really good. They're like kielbasi. These mini corn dogs are delicious if you cook them in the air fryer. They are so good. We've got some popsicles. $2.65 for that big box. If you've not heard, if you've not tried, get these. They are delicious. Those root beer float, they are delicious. These stuffed pancakes are also very good. $3.99. We got the Stroop waffles are back. We all love those. $4.99. We've got the rose cones. You gotta try those. $3.99. We got the My Mochi sorbet. This was in my store already last week, but it is one of this week's Aldi's finds for $4.95. We have the banana and the strawberries in the chocolate covered freeze frozen. They're delicious. $2.69. Blueberry pie Oreos. I didn't hear great things about them, but we gotta taste them. $4.79. The crustless peanut butter and strawberry jam. $3.69. We've got some frozen salmon, the smoked paprika and the blackened. Those are $7.99. We have some of the soup dumplings. Those are very yummy. And the bamboo, I absolutely love these. I think there's 3 different colors that you can get on the vases. Beautiful, love those. Let me know what you're most excited for. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can, especially if you're coming here. If you're here from TikTok, write TikTok below for me. Have a great week, everyone, and I will see you soon.